Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on your exhibitor management page for our online expo. Everybody should have been given a unique link for your company. So I'm doing a test one with our company FitCon on basic deals. Just type in right here a basic description of your company. It doesn't need to be too long. Your website, your store URL, if those are different or the same, it doesn't matter. It could be your homepage on both. And a logo. Once you do that, click Save Changes. Next, worry about show specials. Don't worry about exclusive and art. Just show specials. The title of your product discount should be, what you're discounting. It could be $10 off your entire website. We'll do 10% off tickets. It could be a certain product, your whole website, whatever it may be. In your description, I would recommend making this short and simple. Get 10% off any ticket by using code FITCON10 at checkout. The longer this is, the more difficult it is for people to find your description or your discount code. Choose a category. We're just going to do memberships for right now. Your price, if it's 10% off, just make it 0. We're going to edit this a little bit later, but if it's $10 off, set whatever price it may be. And then buy now button link, show special, choose an image, upload an image, and hit add show special. And you can add multiple show specials. So you'll see in a second that I have one show special, but maybe I want to discount just one certain type of ticket. Then I can create a new show special for a certain type of ticket or a certain product. Again, don't worry about exclusives. Don't worry about art. Basic details, show specials. On our back end, this is what it's going to look like. So when our users come on our digital expo, they're able to live stream, see what our celebrity guests are doing, or shop exhibitors. So we'll just search FitCon real quick. Okay, we'll click on show specials, and boom, you'll be able to see right here. So 10% off tickets. Get 10% off any ticket by using code FITCON10 at checkout. This button is going to change to say get 10% off, whatever your title is, but that'll be in development in the next couple days. Attendees will click here, and then they're going to be able to use code FITCON10 off at checkout anywhere they go. So that's how it works. Keep it super simple, super easy. Again, basic description, website, store URL, your logo. Your logo will come up right here, right there. So that's where the logo goes. And then add show specials. And these are the discounts you want to give. $10 off, 10% off, 20% off. You could set a price at a certain amount. So buy this for only $30. Whatever it is, just make sure and showcase how they can check out with that code. Hope that helps.